So you like donuts, eh?
Uh-huh.
Well, have all the donuts in the world!
More.
I don't understand it. James Coco went mad in 15 minutes.
Give me 700 Krusty Burgers!
You want fries with that?
You did it, Dad! You saved us! I'm proud you're my father.
Go away. Eating. Mr. Stomach, are you hungry?
I'm always hungry. Now make with the pizza, fatso.
You're the stomach. I have to do this for work. Woo! Gummy worms!
That candy's been here an awfully long time. I'd think twice if I were you.
Don't tell me how many times to think.
You are not bringing that thing home.
Then stand back. This doesn't taste like I thought it would.
Woohoo!
Unspool it into my mouth till that card is at 0. Draw the curtain. And here's my favorite restaurant, La Fridge. It's open 24 hours a day and there's no dress code. Well, bye-bye belt.
Homer, all those fatty, deep-fried, heavily salted snacks can't be good for your heart.
My heart is just fine. A little beer will put out that fire.
Honey, you really shouldn't eat so much in bed. It's not good for your heart.
My heart is just fine.
Homie, what is it?
Just working the turkey through. There it goes. Need more lamp. I can't see! I have to steer by the reflection in my watch! Oh, why don't I just pull over? Ah! Lamb.
I've never said this before, but turn the camera off.